We will see in this video how to create box plots in R. Box plots are very useful to understand the distribution of data. It's a visual way of understanding the distribution of the data. So for that we will first define a variable, a numeric variable. So we'll define a variable x, and these are the values. You can also import data to R session and then use boxplot. That's also possible, but since I haven't done that, so I'll simply create a variable having certain number of values, and then I'll use boxplot function to create box plots. The parameter that will be used is the variable that we just created now, which is x. Okay, it's as simple as that. When we run this, we will get the box plot. So this is how it looks like, but it looks vertical, right? But we can also get horizontal box plot. If you do not specify anything, it will always give you the vertical ones, but we can also get the horizontal box plots. It's the same. It's just a way of your it's just a matter of your test, which one you want, horizontal or the vertical one. Horizontal one, you have to have another change to the syntax, which is horizontal equal to true. So that's the only statement that you need to add apart from the variable.